Hello, it's Kevin McCallum, and I'm excited to announce that I'm seeking a position for the Tri-Valley seat on the Bay East Board of Directors. I believe that all leadership is rooted in servicing the members that belong to it, but not only serving them, understanding the voice of them, and then getting achievable results. I have served on the Real Estate Alliance of Livermore, both in a support role and then as vice chairman. This last year, I also joined the Local Government Relations Committee, and this year I've joined the Political Action Group. I believe that we need to align ourselves with Bay East's mission in creating a fair workplace for us all to operate in, but not just for us, but also always keep in mind our customers. As a board of director, we'll be called upon as environment changes to help create a new pathway forward. I believe that unbiased thinking, really looking at these problems at the root causes, communicating with the membership on what they would like to see happen, coming together and collaborating, and then ultimately using creative ideation wherever possible is really planned for the best steps to move forward with. I would like to be your voice in this upcoming election, and I'm asking for your support. Please support Kevin McCallum for the Tri-Valley seat on the Bay East Board of Directors. Thank you. Have a great day.